In this video, we'll be assembling and installing the aluminum safari rack to our van roof. This kit includes all needed hardware. This installation requires the tools shown here. For more detailed instructions, see the manual included with this kit. Before starting the rack assembly, first install the mounting channel kit to the van roof, following its instructions. Start by assembling the mounting foot and J-brackets and set aside. Insert two connecting caps into front left end rail and slide rear left end rail over the other end of caps. Repeat steps on the opposite side of the ladder rack. Next, assemble carriage bolt, plate, and knob to each of the ladder stops. Insert ladder stop assemblies into the top of every other crossmember. Next, insert two carriage bolts into bottom of every other crossmember that does not have a ladder stop. Next, assemble a mounting foot and J-bracket to each of the previously inserted carriage bolts at bottom of crossmembers. Reference the chart shown on screen to ensure the brackets are in the correct location for mounting on the roof. Once the bracket is in the correct location, tighten the brackets onto the crossmembers. Next, attach each crossmember to end rails. Place roller tube between bearings and tighten with bolts. Once tightened, thread provided screw into each hole near the end of the roller tube and tighten to prevent bolts from loosening. Now, it's time to mount the rack. With assistance, carefully lift assembly onto van roof. Set the J-brackets on top of the roof channels and position rack front to back so the roller tube protects the back of the van. Next, with bolts and mounting plates, insert two assemblies per mounting foot into channel and rotate 90 degrees clockwise. Finally, lift the assembled ladder rack and place each mounting foot through positioned bolts and loosely fasten. If you need to adjust your roller bar, simply remove the pins from both sides and then adjust to your preferred height.